Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SMS marketing for buyer leads with Twilio, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by signing into your Twilio account. If you don't have one, go ahead and create a new account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the phone numbers section on the left sidebar. Click on Buy a Number to acquire a phone number for SMS marketing. Choose a number that can send SMS messages. Check the capabilities to ensure SMS is enabled. After purchasing your number, head back to the dashboard. Now, go to the messaging section in the left menu. Click on Twilio Studio to create a messaging workflow. Select Create a new flow and name it accordingly. Choose Start from Scratch to design your SMS workflow. Drag the Send Message widget onto the canvas. Connect the incoming message trigger to the Send Message widget. In the Send Message widget, input the message you want to send to leads. Save your flow and publish it to activate the workflow. Next, return to the Phone Numbers section. Select the number you purchased earlier. In the Messaging section, set the A Message Comes in webhook. Enter the URL of your Twilio Studio flow. Now, your message flow is linked to your phone number. To capture buyer leads, integrate your SMS marketing with your website or CRM. Utilize a form where leads can enter their phone numbers. Link this form to your Twilio account using the API for seamless data transfer. Create an API endpoint in your backend to handle incoming requests. When a new lead submits their phone number, call the Twilio API to send a welcome SMS. Ensure to include details about your services in the message. Additionally, implement opt-in confirmation to comply with regulations. Follow up with automated messages based on the lead's interaction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.